Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So we got Superman Blizzard only in theaters, summer 2025. Why is this spoon so long? Okay, this is what it looks like.
It's good.
Okay, it's supposed to have Oreos, cookies, sprinkles, and what is that? White chocolate? I don't know. Okay, we also got a burger. Look at that.
Nice.
Okay, so it says right there, we promise to flip Blizzard.
They did. They flipped it upside down.
They did?
Yep, when you gave it to me.
Okay, well, here's the thing. Let's see if it still doesn't melt.
Nice.
This costed $52, and look, there's ice cream on it.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, whatever. Let's try this first. Burger. This tastes like a regular burger. Let's try this now. It's melting. The ice cream is good.
Is it, what is it, vanilla ice cream?
It's cookies and cream. Or Oreo. Let's try this. What is it?
What is it?
Oh, peanut butter.
Ooh, nice.
It's okay.
What score do you give it?
No, it's melting. Okay. 6.10 out of 10. This gets a 7. Actually, it's better by a bit.
Wow. All right.
Which is weird because they've had like 73, I think, years of experiments with this. They only changed their name to DQ Grill and Chill like two years ago. So yeah. But I do think they were selling like wings earlier. I don't know. So this is coming out July 11th.
It looks good though. No, it's filling.
Ooh, okay, yeah. Bye guys, have a nice day.